Why does the Indian Air Force keep 5 to 6 types of fighter jets bought from various countries? India is an emerging superpower. In the past, India selected fighter jets to fill different roles as threats surfaced. India has updated their older fighters with advanced equipment, and they will replace them in the future with made-in-India fighter jets with help of India's partners. India currently has 7 different types of multi-role fighters and strike aircraft from multiple countries. The MiG-21, MiG-29, Su-30 Mki, Jaguar, Mirage 2000, Rafale, and Tejas are all in active service. This is a maintenance and logistics nightmare when you consider training, parts, interoperability, etc. This is where India finds itself now. It will take more than a decade to transition out of the current situation. On the upside, India has a diverse fleet of fighter jets. India has struggled with their strategic plan. They have been let down by Russia on the Su-57 stealth fighter as it did not meet India's expectation and was substandard. India is discovering that they cannot rely on Russia's technology because the rest of the world appears to have surpassed Russia in many technologies. Egypt discovered their new, state-of-the-art Russian Su-35s got defeated by French Rafales during training drills. The Rafale is an excellent fighter, but it has a lot of company with other European and US fighters that have advanced technologies. India finds itself in a challenging situation. As Russia alienates themselves from most of the world, India needs Russia because the vast majority of their fleet are Russian fighter jets. For now, India is playing nice with Russia while they increase partnerships with friendly, technology-advanced countries. In the future, India will be heavily involved in manufacturing new, state-of-the-art fighter jets. It won't happen overnight. At the end of the day, India will have fewer types of aircraft and larger squadrons.